Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Nitecore TM12K. Now this is a 12,000 lumen rechargeable flashlight. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $207. Alright, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes?
I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, now on a side note, I've been rocking the Nitecore P20iX as my EDC flashlight. Now I'll leave a link for that video right here. I love this one. This one is around $100, super bright, 1,000 lumens, and you got the strobe light. But I wanted something that's a little bit brighter and has more of a rectangular shape, so I took it over to the EDC community, and everybody recommended the Nitecore TM12K. So let's get and check this out. First, let's take it over to the website. Again, $207. Let's go through the features real quick. So this is a super bright flashlight. The TM12K is the ultimate rechargeable flashlight with a 12,000 lumen beam that can reach up to 273 yards. Now it is USB-C rechargeable, can be fully recharged in 1.5 hours thanks to its Quick Charge 2.0. Now you got a user-friendly interface, separate power and mode buttons to power on and off, and change brightness with real-time OLED display for brightness output, battery level, remaining runtime, and temperatures. Okay, so you got an OLED display. Stylish and modern, combining sleek geometric shapes with figure grooves, the TM12K not only looks cool, but offers a secure grip as a tiny monster flashlight that can fit in a pocket. All right, let's see, is there anything else we need to see here? Any other features? Okay, 12,000 lumens for 273 yards of throw. Okay, you got 6 Cree LEDs, real-time OLED display. Okay, unique rectangular design. That's what I was looking for. Plus, you got a built-in USB-C rechargeable battery. Okay, so you got your mode button, power button. Okay, dual operations, quick access to turbo. That's one of the things that I love about these Nitecore flashlights. You see, if you turn it on and you hold the button down, you get the turbo boost. That's how you get the maximum lumens. Okay, so you get, let's see, customizable high modes. Okay, so you can customize your levels. Multifunctional OLED display. Now this is kind of dope. So it shows your current mode, your battery voltage, your runtime remaining, the flashlight temperature, which is important, and the power level. Okay, easy to carry, improved grip, easy to recharge. Okay, $207 on this one. Now, on a side note, if y'all want to see some more EDC videos, hit me up in the comments. I got a new bag coming in. I got a bunch of new blades, all right, just in case I got to get the poke in. Right now, my day-to-day carry, I like the Microtech. I call this the John Wick Special, OTF. And my favorite, the Benchmade Shootout. Just in case I got to get the poke in, this is the one right here, if you got to push that blade. Anyway, Nitecore TM12K. Okay, 12,000 lumens. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Compact and intelligent, sharp light. Okay, let's see what you get inside. Now this is going to be, okay, a nice holster with a nice strong Velcro on it. All right, shoes, you want to inspect that for quality. This is going to be your USB Type-C charging cable. Let's just make sure. Okay, so this is USB Type-C to USB-A. All right, shoes, do your thing. And a little lanyard strap. I never use those. Let's see anything else. Now, of course, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Nitecore, certificate of authenticity. And here's the flashlight. Now, I already love this. I will say this, it's a lot heavier than the P20iX, but it does have this belt clip. This is what I needed right here. Okay, so it has the belt clip and it has the rectangular design. So if your car breaks down and you want to put this on the roof of your car, you don't got to worry about it rolling around. All right, so this is one of my main features that I want in a flashlight. I want to be able to set it up for an SOS emergency, and I don't want the wind to blow it around. So this one right here, nice rectangular shape. You can place it anywhere you want. Okay, oh, wow. Look at the brightness on this. Okay, now let's see. We got different buttons, which I'm about to play with in a minute. This is going to be your USB Type-C charging slot. It has a little magnet right here to keep it from flapping open. And this is your button. All right, now this, if you want the turbo boost, let's see. Let's get it activated. You see you got that little, wow, it's super hot too. When you activate the turbo boost to get the maximum lumens, this is how long it lasts for. All right, now no flashlight is going to stay on maximum that long. You see it turned off. All right, now it shows the battery temperature and the voltage. Okay, so I got a full battery right here. All right, so let me take it to the book real quick and figure out these buttons. All right, so let's check the weight. Now, it's actually not that heavier than the P20iX, which weighs 6 ounces. The TM12K, 8 ounces. Okay, so it feels a little bit heavier, but not that much. Now let's take a closer look at the actual flashlight. You got a little branding on one side. The belt clip, extra sturdy. It's not going to fall off. Textured pattern right here, gives you some nice grip. And you got your finger grooves. So when you're holding this, if you're running, it's not going to fall out of your hands. Now the tail button, nice and flush. Little flap right here to cover your USB Type-C charging slot. And here's your 2 main buttons and OLED display. Now, if you hit the power button, you see, it's going to show you the voltage, the battery, how many hours you got, and the temperature. Now, I'm going to switch level 1. Level 2, 100 lumens. Level 3, 300 lumens. And level 4, 1,000 lumens. Now, I'm not going to blind y'all today. I'm going to go outside and do some actual testing. And these are also customizable. Now, with the tail button, if you activate that, it's going to take it right to maximum lumens. And it lasts for about 10 to 15 seconds, depending on how hot the LEDs are. Now, here's something I love about this flashlight. You can actually customize the brightness settings. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to turn it on. You see my level 1 is 6 lumens. Level 2 is 100 lumens. Level 3 is 300. And level 4 is 1,000. Now, say I want my level 4 to be brighter. I'm just going to hold down both buttons for about 3 seconds until it starts flashing. Okay? And now I can change that. So I could do 100 lumen increments. You see I'm dropping it down to 800, 700. But say I want it brighter. You can go all the way up to 2,000. So I'm going to set my level 4 at 2,000. Then you hold down both buttons again. Now watch this. When I turn it on, level 4, 2,000. So we go from 6 to 100 to 300, straight to 2,000. And again, if I want the max, hold down the button on the back and get the maximum brightness. Now, another thing about the OLED display, it actually shows you how much time you have in each brightness setting. So if I turn this on, if I put it on 6 lumens, it's going to cycle through. I got 200 hours. At 100 lumens, 20 hours. At 300 lumens, 7.5 hours. And the big boy, 2,000 lumens. All right, this is the one I'm going to be using. 0.9 hours. All right, so fully functional OLED display. Now, to charge up the flashlight, all you got to do is plug in the USB Type-C cable in the back. This light is going to start flashing to let you know it's charging. And when it's steady, that means it's fully charged up. You also have the OLED display. Now, you also have 2 different electronic locks. Let me show you how that works. Press the power button. Keep holding it. And now it's level 1 locked. So what that means is the mode button and power buttons are disabled, but you still have access to the tail button. Now to unlock it, tap and hold until it says unlock. Now it's unlocked. Now when you want to get to lockout number 2, let me show you how to do that one. Okay, wait for the LED display to turn off. Press and hold. Lock in number 1. Lock in number 2. So now all of the buttons are disabled. You see, if you try to press anything, it's going to say lockout 2. Now, if you want to disable that, tap and hold, and just keep holding until it unlocks. All right, so now that we went through all of the basics, let's take it outside and do a little testing between the P20iX and the TM12K. All right, so I'm sitting outside in the park, in New York City. And it really doesn't get too dark out here, but this is one of the darkest areas that I can find. So let's do a little testing. All right, so we're gonna start off at 6 lumens. Okay, now we'll go to 100. Here's 300. Can clearly see everything now. And here's 2000. Look how bright this is. This is insane. Light up the whole park. And of course we got turbo boost. Okay, now a few seconds of this. Maximum brightness. This is crazy. All right, so say you was outside in the park earlier with the kids and you dropped your keys or your wallet and you can't find it. Now, if you're using your phone's flashlight or a regular flashlight, it's gonna be hard to see anything. But with this light, we're gonna start off at 6 lumens. Then we go to 100. Then we go to 300. Now 2000. Look at this. With 2000 lumens, you could see everything. Light up the whole entire park like this. All right, so let's try to walk somewhere where it's a little bit dark. Now I'm gonna turn this off. Oh, my eyes had to adjust. Okay. So let's see what we can find in here. I'll turn this on. Look at that. Now, if I needed a little bit more brighter, we hit the turbo boost. Look at that. That is crazy. All right, so just for quick comparison, here's the difference in max brightness between the P20 and the TM. Let's start off with the P20. Here's the TM. Look at that. Again, here's the P20. This is max brightness. Here's the TM. Lights up the whole area. All right, so this is the absolute darkest spot that I found in this park. So now we'll check the brightness levels one last time. So I'm gonna turn it on. This is 6 lumens. Now this is around the brightness of your cell phone. Imagine trying to find your keys like this. Now we'll increase to 100. This is already 10 times brighter than your phone. Now we'll increase to 300. You can already see everything. And again, I customized mine to go straight to 2000. Look how bright this is. You can clearly see everything. Now, if I want that turbo boost, we're gonna hit the button. Maximum lumens. All right, so you've seen it for yourself. The Nitecore TM12K is a major, major, major go. This is definitely gonna be my new EDC flashlight. Now, if you're looking for an EDC flashlight that's more tactical, I still recommend the P20iX. You got the strobe lights, that's gonna blind and disorientate anybody. You got the glass breaker, AKA the skull crusher. Okay, this is still a go right here, and I'm gonna keep this in rotation. But the TM12K, super bright. The build quality is excellent. USB Type-C rechargeable. You got the belt clip and the OLED display. I love this. Anyway, this is the TM12K. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. And if y'all want to see some more EDC products, let me know. And especially if y'all want to see some more blades, we can get the poking. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meatballs allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy now. Deuces. Spot on the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.